Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Microsoft Edge keeps logging you out of websites, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to delete cookies and cache on your browser. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings from the menu. Go to so you click on these three dots and select history. Click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and click on clear now. The next is to click on these three dots at the top right corner and go to settings. Now go to privacy, cookies and site permissions, and then you can click on this option, manage and delete cookies and site data. And there's an option here which says allow sites to save and read cookie data. Turn it off. That's it. It will really save you from a lot of hassle. And in 99% of the cases, it will help you fix the problem. But yes, there may still be some extensions which may overlap this. So remove extensions as well. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Click on manage extensions. And then let's say any extension is present that is problematic, then turn it off and finally remove it. And after that, obviously, you can reset Microsoft Edge. That should be the last option though. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the default value, reset. Okay, it says settings were reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.